Picture this. You're in the crypto world, but instead of shouting your wallet address from the rooftop every time you transact, you get to whisper it. Quietly, privately, like a spy in a noir movie. That's the vibe of Night. In this video, we dig into what Night really is, why it might be the privacy superhero crypto needs, and whether it's moon-destined or, well, just another blockchain dream. And yes, this is not financial advice, just me telling crypto stories. Always DIY. So, what the heck is Night? Night is the native utility and governance token of the Midnight network. Midnight is a privacy-focused blockchain, sidechain, in the ecosystem of Cardano, aiming to offer privacy plus smart contract functionality. The mission: give people and businesses blockchain tools where sensitive data and transaction metadata can stay private without sacrificing compliance or decentralization. Midnight uses zero-knowledge proofs, ZK snarks, plus a special contract system to enable this. On many chains, every transaction, amounts, addresses, is public. That's fine for transparency, but bad for privacy. Midnight, and thus Night, tries to provide a middle ground: privacy plus transparency when needed, compliance plus governance structure. In short, Night is the key token for a blockchain that wants privacy plus utility plus smart contracts. Think of it as crypto that respects your secrets. Let's go under the hood. But don't worry, no jargon-heavy lecture, just crypto mechanics with a bit of flair. Midnight uses ZK, zero-knowledge, smart contracts, plus a dual-component token model. Night plus resource called Dust. Holding Night generates Dust. Dust is the resource you spend to transact privately on Midnight. Shield data, hide metadata. Important detail: Night itself is not spent when you transact. Instead, you spend Dust. That means your capital token stays intact while you pay for privacy plus blockchain operations. Dust is renewable. Like a rechargeable battery, you hold Night, Dust regenerates over time. So frequent users or dApp developers can keep operations going without draining their principal. Midnight aims to support private smart contracts, private data transfers, possibly enterprise-grade use cases where privacy plus compliance matter. That's a niche but potentially big demand area if privacy plus regulation balance is needed. In everyday speak, imagine you own a VIP pass, Night, that periodically gives you fuel, Dust, and that fuel lets you move, transact, or build privately on Midnight. You never spend the pass itself, only the fuel. Let's talk numbers and economics, but with fewer spreadsheets. Total supply of Night is 24 billion tokens, all minted and set up before the public distribution. Night will be used for generating Dust, for transaction fees or privacy, block production rewards, validators, ecosystem incentives, and network governance. Because you don't spend Night to transact, just Dust, the token remains intact for governance or utility. That means holding Night could give long-term value if demand for privacy and use of Midnight network grows. Dust resource model gives predictable operational costs and could appeal to developers/businesses that want to shield user data or handle sensitive operations. In short, Night is a long-term stake, not a spend-me-now coin. Its value depends heavily on network adoption, privacy demand, and ecosystem growth. Here's where the story gets exciting. What's coming? What could trigger growth? And why Night might matter beyond hype? The official launch, mainnet for Midnight, is coming soon. Night is set to start trading and become active on 8th December 2025. With listing on exchanges like OKX confirmed, deposits open, Deck 6, spot trading opens Deck 9, 2025. Access becomes easier for holders/traders.